Hello everyone, welcome to Let's Talk in English on PTS.
Get ready to learn something new today on the go. My name is Gabe.
And I'm Andrea. That's right, we are on the go today and we are talking about something exciting.
We're talking about something fast. It's the high-speed rail.
Yes, it is. Well, friends, let's look at some keywords to help you understand our on the go. The first one is model. Model. Kevin builds model boats. He also collects them.
Electric. Electric. Sue sleeps with an electric blanket. It keeps her warm at night.
Class. Class. Julie always travels first class.
Engine. Engine. Mike's car has a problem. The engine won't start.
Pollution. Say it with me. Pollution. Many big cities have a lot of pollution.
Good. Let's say these words again. Say them with us. Model. Model.
Electric. Electric.
Class. Class.
Engine. Engine.
Pollution. Pollution.
Great job! Now, Eddie, do you have our mission today? Eddie?
Eddie, are you on a train?
Yes, Eddie, okay. Maybe you can take the high-speed rail, but what is the mission?
Mission.
What's he doing?
Mission.
Mission!
Oh, sorry. Yes, I'll be glad to give you the mission. Here it is. How fast does the high-speed rail go?
How fast does the high-speed rail go?
Let's go on the go.
Oh, hello, friends. Do you like trains? I do. Because today we're going to talk about big trains and small trains. So let's go on the go. All aboard! I love playing with model trains. This is a great hobby for children and adults. Model trains look like real trains, but are much, much smaller. There are many kinds of model trains. Some look very old. Others look really new, like a high-speed train. Here is an old train. This train is called a locomotive. This was a very popular train in Europe for many years. Many passengers can still go on this today. Real trains can move. Model trains can also move. People can buy special train tracks to make a kind of road for trains. Model trains can move around because they are electric. The model trains can then move around a little model world. Look at the little houses and trees. Model trains are fun. But now let's take a look at some bigger and faster trains.
Now, Gabe, you have a car, but we're not talking about cars today. We're talking about trains.
Yes, you are right, Andrea, but we are also talking about models, and this is a model car.
You're right, and that is a key word. Let's learn it together. Model. Model. A model is a small copy or small thing of something that is very big.
So you can have a model car, just like this one I have here. And in the On the Go, Daniel saw some model trains of the high-speed rail. They're smaller trains.
Some people collect model trains or model cars. It's a fun hobby. Well, we learned that these model trains can also move because they are electric. Our next keyword is electric. Electric. If something is electric, that means it uses power. If it's electric, it can move.
So Daniel is playing with these model trains, and they are electric when they go around the track. I have also heard about electric cars. These are cars that don't use gas like most cars, but these electric cars are better for the environment, the 环境 around us.
Yes, that's true. There are also electric blankets. These are blankets that you can use, and they're nice and warm.
The high-speed rail is one of the easiest ways to travel from city to city. These trains are bigger, comfortable, and of course much faster. They also need special stations. High-speed rail stations are different from normal train stations. They need to have a very long platform so that the long trains can fit inside. The stations are also very clean and modern for visitors. Wow, this is a really long train. Okay, car number 5. Where is car number 5?
It's there.
Let's go. We gotta hurry. Trains that go really fast need to have excellent train drivers. These people make sure the train runs smoothly and safely. Just like ships and airplanes and other trains, the high-speed railroad also has different classes. For more comfort, passengers can enjoy their trip in business class. For normal prices, passengers can sit in standard class seats. Taking the high-speed rail is the fastest and easiest way to go up and down the island. All this happens because of speed.
Well, this is a fun on the go, and Daniel is talking about high-speed rail trains. He is on a train, and we see that he is sitting in a certain area of seats, and this is his class. This is a class of seats. Let's look at this keyword, the word class. Class. A class is a certain area where you sit, or it's where certain people can sit. There are higher classes and lower classes and middle classes.
When you're traveling, you can choose what class you want to travel in. The class tells you how comfortable your trip will be. Sometimes in an airplane, you can fly first class. That's the most comfortable part of the airplane.
Andrea, you said you fly first class. So when you talk about this word class, you can add first in front. That is the most expensive and most comfortable. And you say that you travel first class or you fly first class. Of course, if you want to not spend so much money, then you can travel standard class. And maybe that's what Daniel did on the high-speed rail. He traveled standard class.
Yes, we learned that the high-speed rail has 2 classes, standard and business.
Now, it doesn't feel like we're going very fast, but we are. So, what makes this train go really fast? Let's find out. The high-speed trains have strong engines that make the wheels turn very quickly. The engines can make this train go up to 300 kilometers per hour. $300 an hour? That's really fast. That's like an airplane. I hope we don't take off like an airplane. The high-speed rail has its own special train tracks. Only high-speed trains can use them. These special tracks are usually high up from the ground to protect the fast train and its passengers. The way the high-speed rail is built is also safe for the environment. It makes less pollution and noise than cars and airplanes. What? Are we there already? I didn't even get a nap. This train goes too fast. Okay. All right. I'm ready. Wow, I have so much time. What will I do? I know. I can play with my model train. Hey, thanks for coming with me today on the high-speed rail. See you next time on The Go.
Whoa, wow, that was a fast train trip. Now, how fast does the high-speed rail go? Well, friends, that's the question in today's mission. How fast does the high-speed rail go?
How fast does the high-speed rail go? This train goes 300 kilometers per hour.
Now that is very fast. Daniel enjoyed his time on this fast trip. Well, friends, let's learn some more key words from this section. The first one is engine. Say it with me. Engine. The engine of something is the machine that makes it move.
Right, so if a train is going, that means it has an engine. Many machines have engines. Cars have engines. And it's important that your engine works. If your engine doesn't work, then you can't start your car and you can't go anywhere. Does your engine work?
I hope it does. Well, friends, our next keyword in this part is pollution. Pollution. Now, pollution is a lot of bad things or dirty things that are in the air.
And there are many different kinds of pollution. You know that cars in a city will add pollution to the city. And there's also noise pollution. If there is a lot of noise, then it sounds really bad, and it's bad for your ears. That's noise pollution.
Well, the good news is that the high-speed rail does not give a lot of pollution to the environment. That's one great point, one very good thing about the high-speed rail.
Well, Andrea, this sounds very interesting, and the high-speed rail sounds like something fun. I'd like to go traveling on the high-speed rail real quickly.
Calendar phrase.
Hey everybody, now it's time for our calendar phrase. The phrase today is, we all make mistakes.
We all make mistakes.
This is a great phrase to know. If someone has done something wrong or they feel bad about something that they did, you can tell them, we all make mistakes. If your friend took a test and he did not do so well, and it was really bad, and he's really sad, then maybe you can tell this to them.
It's true, Gabe. We all make mistakes, and we all learn from our mistakes, too.
That's right. Let's go look at today's calendar phrase skit.
We all make mistakes.
We all make mistakes.
I think I hurt Dan's feelings.
Hey, we all make mistakes. What happened?
I said some mean things to him.
We all make mistakes. Are you still friends?
Yes, I told him I am sorry and he forgave me.
Well, we all make mistakes, but I'm glad he forgave your mistake.
Me too. We all make mistakes.
We all make mistakes.
Well, that was fun learning more about the high-speed rail. Now, Eddie, do you have a question for us?
Oh, yeah. That was a great episode. I loved it. Fast trains. Oh.
I love fast things too.
Yeah.
Eddie, can you give us the question of the day really fast?
Okay, here it comes. Do you like fast trains? Why or why not?
Do you like fast trains? Why or why not?
I do like fast trains. Why? Because they're fast.
Yes, you can get from one place to another place very quickly. Well, friends, thank you all for joining us today here on Let's Talk in English on PTS, where learning English can be fun.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.